Akala nyo kung ano no, it's sugar. Or is it? Anong maganda gawin sa sugar? E di ipang workout sa treadmill, and while we're at it, hetong recap. May smuggled sugar daw. 3 weeks ago, may nasabat na shipment ng customs sa Subic. 500 tons o 10,000 sakong pampatamis galing Vietnam. Ang halaga, tumataginting na 30 million pesos. Grabing kaswitan, pero parang mali yung label. Ang sabi kasi sa sako, sweet mixed powder daw ang produkto. Pero ang ingredients, mostly sugar. May pasapa ng sugar regulators mula sa shipment. Pero unang tingin pa lang, hindi ito powder, kundi granules.
Nagulat yung customs kasi kahit yung sack said it was sugar. Tapos may nilagay lang na paper label saying it's glucose and something else.
So, suspetsya ngayon ng mga otoridad, baka smuggled table sugar ito na hinaluan lang ng ibang ingredients para masabing alternative sweetener. Yan ngayon ang sinusuri ng mga eksperto. Pero buti na lang nasabat yung shipment. Kung nabenta to sa palengke, nako, lugi ang mga magtutubo. By how much? At least 700 million pesos a year.
Yung supply na iniisip natin, iba pala. Kasi may nagsusupply na ibang daanan yung dinaanan.
So, anong plano ng gobyerno to beat sugar smuggling? Singilin ng clearance fee ang mga mag-i-import ng asukal mula sa abroad. Target tong mapatupad beginning April 1st. At hindi yun April Fool's joke. Officials really consulted with stakeholders para ma-finalize ang implementing rules and regulations.
As for regulating the commodity, that is not the plan. The plan is to really get accurate data of how much is coming in.
Also, in the next 3 years, our sugar regulators will partner with the University of Tokyo. We learn from Japan, Japan learns from us. The goal is makagawa ng varieties of sugarcane na mas mabunga, gawing high-tech ang pagtutubo, and learn to manage farms of different sizes. Sounds sweet? Let's see how it all unfolds. And that is your news on the run. Finally, nakabalik din sa treadmill. For more stories, visit news5.com.ph or follow us online para lagi kayong nasa frontline ng balita.